Scotty, you muskrat looking
Yeah.
pendejo, you. Oh, now the sun's gonna go behind the clouds. Thanks.
Yay.
Look at that. That's weird.
So-
Nick. Anyway, Mr. Muskrat.
The flywheel needs to be turned again, or we may have to get a new one. That's pretty blue. Like, legitimately, that's pretty blue.
Well, if somebody got out of the sun, you probably could see it better.
Oh, I'm right here. We're good. I'm fat.
It's been done once.
Look at all that.
Yeah, I mean, it's actually, yep. It's actually starting to crack.
Oh, Jesus.
I mean, you can, that's plain as day. You can see that.
Let me zoom in. Enhance.
I'm blind.
Well, that's good. Oh my God. Yeah, that's done. Okay.
I just saw that when we were looking at it.
That's toast. Okay, Mark. So we need a flywheel for sure.
Okay, so that takes care of that part.
That solves that problem.
We're here. We might as well put a new clutch in. I mean, it would be stupid not to.
This one looks fairly.
It doesn't look bad, but now
Wow! Look at the pressure.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So
this clutch is similar to mine because it has different.
Yep.
Wow. Oh God.
Oh, I didn't even see that crack. Did your fingernail just catch on that?
My fingernail caught in that. That's starting to crack. Look at all this heat.
Yep.
So either somebody doesn't know how to drive a manual transmission, or
Borg and Beck.
you're a Borgenbeck.
No, this is a Borg and Beck clutch.
I know.
Surprisingly enough.
You're
Well-
a boar with peckers.
Well.
Easy with
Oh
that.
no, sorry.
All right, so we gotta get some of this tin work off.
Yep.
Well, timing gears look good.
Yeah, surprisingly enough. I mean, the engine doesn't look
Internally,
really
it doesn't look
bad.
terrible. We
But
know
I
it
get the
has-
feeling that
it's definitely most of the problems are in the head.
Yeah.
In the heads. I did note this. Notice our focus. Damn it. There we go. Okay. See those 6s, those 5s, same stamp kit. This 1, that 2, same stamp kit. 3 and 4
different.
are different stamps. And they've been ground and re-stamped. I bet these rods are from a different engine. I'm sure something at some point went kaboom.
Oh, that wouldn't surprise me.
So we got that. We got to pull these mounts off. We'll probably pull the oil pan just because,
Yeah.
and get all the rest of the tin work off. And then we're basically we're done with what we need
Now
to do.
that the transmission is
Did you
away
already-
from the engine,
Did you already show
I
the
showed it
shaft?
on when it was really close to the transmission.
Like it's the first time you've shown your shaft on camera.
Right? Now, you ready?
Worst case scenario. My God.
To my knowledge,
Hey, Scotty.
that is not supposed to happen.
You surprised me with how much length you have.
To my knowledge, that's not supposed to happen. I'm not a transmission man. I've never stated I was. I don't have enough information on transmissions. If they were bad, I always bought a new one and put it in. I never bothered to try and learn how to rebuild
Are
it.
you trying to say this is not your kind of trans?
Yeah, that'll work. So, I'm going to recommend,
It needs to be gone through either way.
I'm going to recommend that
The we can call it a transaxle realistically because it's also has the rear drive in it.
So, I would definitely recommend that it gets gone through. And to my knowledge, that's not supposed to happen.
So tomato, either way, it needs to be gone through. So
Right.
I really don't.
So, we have a little bit ahead of us. We'll get a hold of the client, let them know.
Oh, Mark will see all of it.
Yeah.
So
And
this stuff.
he's a great guy with this stuff, so he's always been really good.
So let's get the pan off of it, get the mount, get the balancer, get all that stuff off, and let's maybe get the valve covers off, and then we're at where we're basically.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Mr. Muskrat.
So we will see you on the next one.